How you doing, AS? How's things going your side? I've moved my schedule around a little bit, so things is looking different. Let me know on your side if the music is too loud. How you doing, Amit? I just mentioned it, I've moved my schedule around a little bit to make it more convenient for everyone. I'm doing good, putting a lot of effort into things, but we're building forward. How's things going on everyone's side? What everyone been up to? What's working and what's not? No problem with turning it down. Remember, I never know how loud the music is on everyone's side. Let me know if it's better, Amit. Thank you, appreciate it. You missed the live stream yesterday. I'm glad you asked. I've just moved my schedule around a little bit to be able to do more. I'm doing update videos as well now with a longer live stream if possible. Not gonna do live streams with all the different things. I'm doing all my trading during the live stream. If any alert comes through, I will be hitting that live stream and doing it. So now, looking at my alerts, all my trades currently is in place on Liberium. I do have my KuCoin trades I need to adjust. So let's start adjusting them. That's gonna keep us busy for a little while. We got a few trades there. And then we can see it's my own trades, different strategy I'm using on KuCoin. Trade through Liberium crypto, USDT and BTC pairs, and our tokenized stock trading, which I'm really enjoying currently. Here's my authenticator code. How you doing? I'm Success Pro. How you doing, Redman? How's everyone doing? What's everyone been up to? What's everyone's thoughts on the market? I think that's the main question. What's your thoughts on the market? You seeing opportunities out there? Do you think we're gonna go a little bit lower? Do you think this is the turnaround? So let's look. Let's see our 𝙏𝙗𝙀. Nice and chilling before the weekend. Will we see a weekend pump or will it slow? Well, I know everyone is wanting a pump, but time will tell. See my BNB. Just triggered our buy and our sell. It's very, very close to profit. Sells at 218.43. We're so close to taking profit on this trade. We just enter it here. So our sell is in place for BNB, and this means this is going to be our latest entry. And our new, but that's wrong, that needs to be 208.03. That's our latest entry. That's in place. So we can just reset our alerts. So if the market does go there, we can come back and trade BNB again. New entry is going to be at 203.51, but I'm pretty sure this take profit is going to hit first. Well, I do expect it to go a little bit lower as well. What I can recommend Success Pro is make sure you have your buy orders in place, because I've been saying I think we might go lower, but also it might be a flash drop and might not stay down there. And just as I mentioned, our take profit did hit for our BNB trade on my other account, the 𝙏𝙗𝙀 account. Make sure to use the link in the link tree for 𝙏𝙗𝙀. No KYC needed. It's easy and it's people's exchange to trade with. I agree, limit buy orders is the best. 99%, if not more, if not less, of my trading is with buy limit orders. They just work so conveniently for me. So there's our trades back in place. So I'm just gonna add a new buy limit order for my BNB trade, which is back at 208.3. Buy limit orders for BNB back in place. That's becoming 208.3 again. And our next take profit 223.10. The fees on 𝙏𝙗𝙀 is decent, and if you have the 𝙏𝙗𝙀 coin as well, it makes it cheaper, similar to the Binance way. But let me pull it up. I'm enjoying 𝙏𝙗𝙬. It's working really nice for me. Here we go. Yes, 𝙏𝙗𝙬. They have, I think, over 700 different coins, which making a huge difference. I'm Success Pro, even though I'm just trading the small, or not the small, the major coins. Are you doing amazing? How's things going your side? How are you doing, AHK? How's things going your side? I'm Success Pro. Here is their fees. Maker and taker fee at 0.08. That is if you use the KCS coin as well. Otherwise, it's at 0.1% both sides. So it's decent and it's cheap as well. Very similar to which Binance is. The difference is I don't think Binance has a different level. The more KYC coins you hold, the cheaper things gets. So it's a pretty unique platform. I enjoy them. I do quite a bit of trading through them. And I have different opportunities as well. So our Binance pair is updated and Binance pair is updated. Let's update our BTC pair trading. Seems our buy limit did trigger. Yes, Kraken is a great exchange, but its fees is not that good. And a benefit about 𝙏𝙗𝙬 is you can create sub accounts as well. Just putting my sell limit for 𝙏𝙗𝙬. Sean, it depends on which exchange you trading. Like for example, FTX has also very low fees, if no fees, depending on the different transaction and your volume. 𝙏𝙗𝙬, we just looked, if you hold your KCS coin, you can get a 20% discount. The more coins you hold, the more discount you can get. And then the same with Binance. If you hold Binance coin and let it use for fees, you're paying cheaper as well. I know the different exchanges, a lot of them have their own coins. And if you do use their coins, you're saving on fees. So depending on where you're trading, have a look. Does your exchange has its own, well, basically utility token or coin? And if you use it, if you can get a discount. You're talking about 𝙏𝙗𝙬, I'm Success Pro. Also, 𝙏𝙗𝙬 has, it doesn't show you now, but it has the opportunity, the video I made last week, you can deposit via credit card as well. I need to just put in my alerts to one. See it did. Oh, I just added this one. Putting in my alerts, making sure I know when which trade is going through. Well, on 𝙏𝙗𝙬, you need to hold the 𝙏𝙗𝙬 coin, which is KCS, and Binance you need to hold BNB. Please do, I'm Success Pro, and let us know what your findings are. It will be interesting to know which ones are available in which country. So our BTC pair is updated. The same here, Amit. If you use them, just make sure in your settings in the back office, it's ticked to use the exchange coin, and then you just need to make sure you do have the exchange coin, which is on Binance side, the Binance coin, and on KuCoin side, the KuCoin. You told me it's not working properly in Pakistan. I wonder why. Have you ever tried using it with a VPN? Does that make any difference? Looking at Ethereum, seems like also a buy limit went through. $1,145. A buy limit went through, and it seems it triggered profit as well already. Now I still need to place it. My apologies. 1-1. So our sell limit's going to be at 1119.42. And our next buy limit is at 1041. You'll see my personal trading on KuCoin is a lot more aggressive. Not as aggressive as my Liberium crypto. And due to the fact that it's a lot more aggressive, I need more funds for this trading. Alerts is in place, just gonna add my trade on the Ethereum side as well. What is the recommended exchanges in the different countries around the world? Or let me put it this way, which exchanges gets recommended in your current country? Or which one is the easiest to use in your current country? So Ethereum is set up and ready. The FTT coin. I do like trading coins from exchanges as well. As you can see, the current coin is FTT, which is the FTX coin. And the reason why I'm liking to trade BNB and FTX is due to they have a burn function. So a lot of these coins gets burned as well, which gives them the opportunity to increase in value over time. Just want to see 24 point current price. That's good. Go with the one that's easier to use. If Binance is easier to use in your country, why not stick with it? Yes, I know I'm trading on Binance, 𝙏𝙗𝙖 and FTX is my main three I'm trading on. And here and there's another one I'm doing certain transactions on due to the fact that coins might not be on these exchanges. But sticking with what's working and easy is the main goal. So we just re-entered our FTT trade at 24.527. $24.527 to 7. We just need to readjust 24.527. Place. So I'll take profit. It's gonna be at 25.753, and our next entry is gonna be at I agree, 𝙏𝙗𝙧, most exchanges want you to KYC. 𝙏𝙗𝙧, I haven't KYC'd yet, no problems there. FTX, if you don't KYC, you limit it, and due to that fact, I had to KYC. And Binance, I also did KYC due to the regulation in my country with them. Sean, as far as I know, if you're looking at exchanges to buy stocks, the only one I know about currently that's working is FTX. Binance did have stocks, tokenized stocks on a also not too long ago, but for some reason they went missing. Another one, if you click on the link tree, is you can go to Bittrex. Bittrex also have tokenized stocks, so you can look at them as well. That's good to know, 𝙏𝙗𝙧, but I don't think that's anything to do with my name. If it was my name, I probably should invite Sam Bankman-Fried for a lunch or something. Maybe he can give me some tips on becoming a billionaire sooner than I'm expecting to be one. So FTX, our trades is in place, and just set our alerts. So our trade is in place. Let's have a look at Shiba Inu. Seems like a buy limit order went through on Shiba. I'm only trading 5 coins with this more aggressive style on KuCoin, and that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, FTX coin, and Shiba Inu. Reason why: FTX, BNB, and Shiba are burning coins, and I do like coins that keeps on burning. So on take profit on this trade is going to be on $2.5. We're heading close to that take profit on that trade. Our next buy limit order is going to be at down there, and this would have been our latest entry. Trades are in place. I do agree, long-term hold, by all means. If someone decides, in my opinion, to hold something long-term, the minimum time period is at least 5 years. For me personally, it's a little bit different because I'm trading coins in between. Now, we've seen so many people who got into pre-sales and been holding coins for years, and they've made more money than most people holding those coins for years. So that's why I do agree, a minimum of 5 years, and that's where we'll see profits. So you need to basically use funds you're not going to need tomorrow or the day after. You need to use funds you can put aside and willing to wait for. So all our trades is in place. Now we're just waiting for the markets to move. Talking about my schedule, I moved it around a little bit. As you can see, I'm dropping minimum 4 videos a day. My update video on the tokenized stocks, update video on the BTC trading, update video on the USD, USDT trading, and then a news video. Go and have a look at the news videos and leave me your comments what you think is flash news. Taking the latest 25 news updates and just run through them. And then when there's additional time, I'll be doing more or less a 2-hour live long stream. Trading, if the markets move, they move. If nothing really happens, we just chat it away and look at the opinions. Some days it's so busy I can't seem to get to everything, and that's why I just turn my schedule around a little bit, try and make it easier. I want to see if we have any coins that's coming close to profit, to see if we can hit some profits. Matic came close. I mentioned it earlier in the video. Have a look at it. It was up around 5.5% and it just fell short of my take profit, but it will go back there and eat it. Looking at the USD pairs, they're just trading slow. Let's see what's happening with the BTC pairs. Anything moving up towards profits. Wow, our ABTC is moving towards another entry. Let's see. Let's see which one is coming close, giving us some profits. Is there anyone? Shiba Inu is pretty close. Let's run through the stocks real quickly. See if any one of them has potential to give us profit. Tesla Dodge dipping a bit. SPY is steady. Amazon was going towards profit. And the new one we started trading this week, Google. So let's go back. And seems like our closest trade might be this Bitcoin trade on Qcoin. Let's see if we can eat profit before we run out of time today. I'm getting approached with so many companies that wants me to look at their things and promote it, but I'm trying to stick to things which I think it's gonna last, and that's tough to get the right ones because you never know. I'm on 4-hour time frames, Ahmed. I'm now making a list of everyone I need to reply on who wants me to look at their different opportunities. some unique features coming out. Worth looking at without a doubt. It's just figuring out, are they gonna last or run the distance? That's why I try to stick to trading, because I'm in control of my funds. Which time frames are you guys looking at or mostly use? On my side, it doesn't really matter which time frame I'm using, because I calculate my entries. So it's not that tough to use. Are you day trading, or what kind of trading you're doing, Amit? The Taxes Security Regulator opens an investigation into Celsius. They're going to be investigating everything that struggled this stage. Short trading, daily base, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, even 1 hour, but confirm with 1 hour, but trading off the smaller time frames. I reckon that's what Amit is doing as well. His main trading is from the 15 minute, but he's using his 1 hour time frame to confirm his entries. In the newsflash, you'll see we're coming down or approaching 20,000 different cryptocurrency coins out there. Do anyone think we'll see a next Bitcoin? Or is Bitcoin too far ahead for someone to catch up in our lifetime? There is currently one crypto that's more expensive than Bitcoin, but their supply is currently lower and they have a utility use. But will it last or will it prove itself? So as we started looking at this Bitcoin trade, it decided it's going to turn around. Any of you haven't yet, remember to smash that like button so we can keep growing this channel and getting it moving. I would like to have at least double digits of viewers daily as we all build wealth together. A question I've been getting quite often is to do one-on-ones showing people how I'm trading in my style. It's pretty easy and unique if you understand it. Leave me your thoughts. What do you think? Should I do one-on-ones? Help people growing and building? And showing them how I'm trading? I like taking different opportunities and make something until I understand it. But what's your thoughts? It might be a Sean. It moved up nicely and it retraced. So let's see, will we create a new lower low? Otherwise we might move up a bit. Let's run through the list and see is anything moving. So far everything is moving the opposite direction we'd like. Might trigger a few trades before Dodge seems to be moving up nicely. Everything dipping a little bit. Nothing major. So next video has just been released. Elon Musk getting sued for 258 billion for running a Dogecoin pyramid scheme. I think that's currently his entire wealth. I don't think this lawsuit is gonna end the way the person is hoping. They're looking for too much money. Dogecoin's main market value has never even been 258 billion. So which coin do you guys think is gonna give us the first bit of work? Which one is gonna trigger first, or which one is gonna profit first? Markets on the USD side is still in the green, but we're seeing a bit of downtrend currently. Sean, to reach 5 to 10% daily, you're gonna need to have a look at leverage trading, which is a lot more risk. Trading the way I'm trading, which is spot trading, I don't mind the time frame my money is in a trade. It can lie there, I'm willing to wait for it to give me profit back. But to reach 5 to 10% in any trading is dangerous, because the higher your percentage you risk or want to gain, the higher your risk is. Yes, there's days which I make 5 to 10% a day, but that happens once in a while. I'm on my own trading. I'm happy if I'm making 1% plus a week, because that's the range I'm aiming for, and everything beyond that is ideal and a bonus. But to aim for 5 and 10%, in my opinion, is risk. What does the rest of the community think? 5 to 10% daily. What's your thoughts on it? So FTX or the FTT coin has triggered. Let's see. It dipped a bit, so we're gonna add a new buy limit order. And also put in our take profit for this trade. So I'll take profit. Going to be at 25,239. Our latest entry is at 24,037. And our new buy limit order is going to be at 23,547. And just readjust my alerts. Here we go, alert is back in place. It's a pleasure, Sean. Our trades is back in place for FTT as well on Qcoin, so we can just keep on rolling and building. You might see a few more trades coming through. We'll be streaming for more or less another 45 minutes and then we'll call it a day. Tomorrow's weekend. I'm thinking of using another strategy for my videos over the weekends, because the weekends I want to take easier, but I still want to give everyone an update. So stay tuned this weekend. We will see some different kinds of updates coming through. And on Monday, we'll continue our daily routine. Just keep on building and growing. Appreciated AHK. Yes, actually, not my day job, the family company. Something I basically would have inherited and keep on growing for this. So currently I can't complain. There's ups and downs in the markets, but getting through the cycles is where we come out at top. Due to the fact that I don't really trade leverage, well, in my younger days, not that I'm that old, I did trade a bit of leverage and I probably lost around $5,000 getting liquidated. But since then, I've more or less moved to trading spot. And spot trading, you can't really lose, but you can devalue. If you hold, like you just mentioned, I lost on Luna as well because it dropped to 0. But before it went to 0, or even in fact the main coins I'm currently trading, some of my trades is in a loss, but my calculations is to stay and trade until a coin goes very low and I can still profit in betweens as long as the market keeps on zigzagging. As long as the market keeps on doing this, I'm making profits. Doesn't matter which direction it's going. Even if it's doing this. Wait, let's do it the other way around. Even if the market is doing this, I'm still making profits in between. The way I'm trading and calculating my trades. If the market does this, I'm just making more profits faster. So that's the way I'm trading. I'm buying the asset, holding it, and selling it for profits on hopefully the right time. And moved away from leverage trading of risking my entire account. And with the industry of crypto developing, look for opportunities. Are you trading leverage, Amit, or what you trading? If you're trading leverage or margin, yes, please use a stop loss and manage your risk. If your risk management is good, you're going to see profits over the long run. If you're trading spot, I don't use stop losses on spot trading. I got buy and sell limit orders for Bitcoin at $70,000. I'm not worried about them. I still have the asset, and I still reckon we're going to see Bitcoin price going beyond that. So I'm willing to wait for the market to recover. Yes, Sean, if you don't use a stop loss and trading spot trading, you just need to be willing to wait it out if the market goes the opposite direction, because the possibility in the main coins are good that the market might turn around and give you profit. It all depends on the time frame. I agree, Amit. There's a lot of risk in future trading. I like my spot trading and I use my profits to take risk with. I'm not using my current capital to take risk, but I take my weekly profits. If I don't pay myself, I take risk with that in different opportunities, like new coins coming out. Smart contracts, I'm a big fan of smart contracts. I like them a lot, but it's not capital that is out of pocket. It's capital I've made profit with, which I'm using. And that's a unique way. It's basically generating yourself or creating yourself your own circle of income. I'll be right back. Right, let's see what's ApeCoin doing. I think I got sell orders for ApeCoin as high as $25. Let's see. Don't want to use that. So looking at my ApeCoin, I got high $24.80 sell orders in place for ApeCoin. That's what I just mentioned I'm not scared of waiting a coin out. 𝙒𝙬 has been coming down massively. We did probably get in a little bit early, just as the coin launched, because it went up and it just rocketed. But since it's high, coming down now to a current spot, we got some interesting ranges to look at. Let's do this. Just to give us a little of an idea where it currently is. Looking at the ranges, yes, alright, that's the lowest range. Let's take it back to where it started on $1. So it might drop all the way to about $2 if you use the Fibonacci, and then back up. It did bounce down to 355 and it broke through and bounced back up. So looking at the Fibonacci, we're basically in the golden pocket level, beneath or around about the 61 level. Will it keep on going? Will the market trend follow? Or will it rebound and go back up from here? It's going to be an interesting one. There's a lot of potential for this coin, and it just keep on creeping up. Yes, the NFT market is struggling current, but which market is not? SLB. I don't know the coin. Let's see. Smooth. You sold it a year ago, you say. Okay, it hasn't been long on KuCoin. Let's see. On Binance, how long? So a year ago, it did go down rapidly from where it launched. Some coins like this, if you do get a coin that just keeps on going down and down, always remember, for example, KuCoin, it has the earn option, the KuCoin earn. Binance also has a Binance Earn. Make sure and see if these coins are in that earn wallets. If they are, put a coin in there and let it earn interest for you, trying to make up the losses if it keeps on falling. Just something to think about. It's a thought, and it's something that can generate a small income while your coin is not performing the way you'd like it to perform. Go back to a 4 hour. So, been a slow day actually. Only one trade in an hour and a half so far that triggered. Besides the few we had to update on our KuCoin trading site. We've seen a bit of green, but it's coming from being down low. I do like this just from the eye. Cardano on the 4 hour chart is making higher highs, and that's a good indication of a market that might keep on going up. Not that I'm looking or doing any DNA analysis, but it's an indication of a possibility. So we got about 25 minutes to go. Let's see which coin is gonna be the next trigger for us. Also, I've already made a video for Sunday night's giveaway. Make sure to check out all the videos. It wasn't a live stream video. It was a direct make video which indicate what you need to do to qualify for this upcoming Sunday's giveaway. Let's see, is there lately any interesting crypto news? Tether USD's market cap dips below the $70 billion mark for an 8th month low. That's interesting. Where is the USDT going? Back into the coins? Let's see, what is Bitcoin doing? So looking at the 4-hour chart, there's a small higher high. Now the ideal would be if the market could have done this down and can go from here above this previous higher high. If it can go above that line, we might see a bull coming up, but it has to create it, or it might just trigger along this line. But if it breaks this level, I do see it going down a little bit more. Let's see, where's the range, price range. So it went all the way to this. Now if it breaks this current level, this green line, it might potentially go down to $17,500. But let's hope it doesn't. And I still believe if the market drops, it's going to be a rapid or a flash drop. I don't think we're going to creep down to this level. Let's see, Litecoin. I'll be right back. Alarm screaming. People working on my alarm system, making sure they're in place. Let's see, Litecoin. Now Litecoin is doing it also. We're seeing higher highs, of higher lows, excuse me, and it's creeping up. Now this is what I mentioned the previous one. It went from here, it went up, it went down, it went higher. Now we want it to go again, come down and go higher again. Every time it keeps on creating a higher high and a higher low, the market is gonna go up. More or less, Sean, they're working on my alarm system. There's an issue with it, and they made it start. Well, they caught himself. But I'm out of the police station for now. So looking at this on a 4-hour chart, it seems like a lot of coins have a lot of potential of moving up. But it needs to keep that uptrend going. Yes, you told me Amit on $41 and we're currently on $46. Did you do a spot trade or did you do a leverage trade on it? You bought it on $41, which was almost the bottom here. Now, what you can do, let's put it at the bottom here and we move it up to the current price. If I can recommend something, if you put in your Fibonacci now, we can see it broke this $45.43 level. If I'm you, not financial advice, I'll put a stop loss right beneath the 45.43 level. Let's say around 45.35. If it keeps on going up, if it reaches the 48 level, I'll move my stop loss or take profit just beneath around 46.50. As the market keeps on going upwards, don't take profit on a certain level. Take profits if it drops to a certain level. This creates the opportunity for you to keep on gaining in profit. If the market keeps on going up, you can generate more profit. Where if you take profit on a certain level, for example, like I'm pretty sure you only have one trade open. I have multiple trades open, so I'm creating myself different take profit opportunities. Where with your trade, with one trade, follow the market up. Basically build for yourself steps. If it gets to a certain position, move your minimum price or profit you want to take up. If it keeps on going up, follow it step by step. I hope that makes sense. Otherwise, look at $51. If it breaks this higher high, or it might bounce back from this level first. But this might be the opportunity if the market keeps going up. Just remember, analyst and TA is not my forte. I like trading mathematical. It's a pleasure, Amit. Thank you. It's the free music from YouTube. So I don't get struck by them for using music I'm not allowed to use. We're currently moving into winter, and at your side, Ahmed? Crypto winter causes Australian exchange to freeze operations permanently. Now, that's something I can't understand. How does the exchange freeze? Due to the fact that exchanges makes their living from the fees they're asking. So the crypto exchange btc.com.au announced its closure on June 17th and said it's not possible to continue operating under the current market circumstances. In my opinion, it doesn't make sense. How are you doing, 𝙏𝙗𝙧? And if I pronounce everyone's name wrong, please excuse. We'll blame it on the accent. $218 million XRP wired by Anon wallets, and these two exchanges as XRP is up 3.55%. Let's see, XRP is currently up 4.25%, and it was up more a few hours ago. I'm Success Bro, are you still around? Here's something interesting. FTX is acquiring Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣. Yes, Sean, there is a Telegram group that gives you all these info. Let me just find it. probably gonna need to look for it. I'm not sure where it is, or I can't remember the exact name. This whale alert, let me just see. Yes, here's one you can look at. There's a whole bunch different ones. This is a smaller one. There's a massive big one. I just can't remember the exact name for it. Breaking news, Colombia is planning regulating framework for Bitcoin transactions. Any Colombians in the chat? FTX Pro, as far as I know, it's mainly for US and Canadian. It's due to the fact that it's different regulations. The current one I'm using is just ftx.com. So we'll stop this live stream in about 5 minutes. Any final thoughts or concerns? Drop a message and smash that like button if you haven't yet. And from Monday on, our schedule will be looking similar. More or less 4 to 5 update videos and a live stream in between daily. Also remember, have a look at Liberium Crypto. Link will be in the link tree, pinned in a message, or maybe just post it again. Let's post the link tree again so we know everyone has it. So the few things we were talking about is Liberium Crypto, the social trading platform which we trade through, KuCoin, the people's choice of exchange, big exchange. It has more than 700 different altcoins to choose from and no KYC needed. And the final exchange is FTX, where we're currently trading tokenized stocks. As shown, Bittrex, the link is in there as well in the link tree. Bittrex also has tokenized stocks. Have a look, it might work in your country. It's a pleasure, Sean.